Dear students, our next topic is the LED configuration. There are two basic LED configurations that use the optical fibers, that is the surface emitting LED and edge emitting LED. In this figure you can see a surface emitting LED, and we are discussing about the characteristics or properties of surface emitting LED. These types of LEDs are used when data rates in excess of 100 Mbps are required. That in surface emitting LED, the plane of active light emitting region is perpendicular to the fiber axis. That is, the light output region is perpendicular to the fiber axis. A well is etched in a substrate, that is the gallium arsenide that you can see in the figure. A small well is etched to avoid the heavy absorption of the emitted radiation, and the fiber is then connected to accept the emitted light. The circular active area in practical surface emitters is nominally 50 micrometer in diameter and up to 2.5 micrometer thick. The emission pattern is isotropic with a 120-degree half power beam width. And the output of this is a lampation pattern. It is an isotropic pattern from a surface emitter is called the lampation pattern. That is means the source is equally bright from when viewed in any direction. That is, this radiation patterns decides the coupling efficiency of LED. And they allow more power to the coupled into the optical fiber, but they are also more difficult and expensive to manufacture. That is the surface emitting LED. Here is a figure of an edge emitting LED. In this edge emitting LED, it emits more directional light pattern than the surface emitting light. That is, in order to reduce the losses caused by the absorption in the active layer and to make the beam more directional, the light is collected from the edge of the LED. Such a device is known as the edge emitting LED or ELED. And the edge emitting LED has transparent guiding layers with a very thin active layers of 50 to 100 micrometer, in order that the light produced in the active region spreads into the transparent guiding layer, reducing self-absorption in the active layer. And the guiding layers have refractive index is lower than the active region but higher than. The surrounding guiding layers are like core and cladding of the fiber. And this structures forms a waveguide channel that directs the optical radiation towards the fiber core. And to match the typical fiber core diameters, that is 50 to 100 micrometer, the contact strips for the edge emitters are 50 to 70 micrometer wide. And that is all about the details of the edge emitter LED or ELED.